Another big story that we are tracking today is a massive surveillance which is being launched in two of the worst hit cities, Delhi and Mumbai. Now, this is a surveillance which is supposed to track whether or not there has been a lot of spread. What is the extent of the spread? What stage of transmission we are at? That is being done in both Delhi and Mumbai through sero surveillance. Now, in Delhi, the sero surveillance is going to launch from today. Delhi, as we know, has in fact clocked over 70,000 cases. Now, as far as the city is concerned, 20,000 people from 11 districts will be part of this massive surveillance which is being launched by the Delhi government. This serological survey is part of Kejriwal's government's new 8-step COVID response plan. Now, this is part of the new plan that the Delhi government has launched just last week to tackle the pandemic, and they are hoping to complete this sero surveillance by July 6th. I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman on this. Ayushman, if you could just take us through what exactly is this sero surveillance going to achieve and what has been the plan so far for the Delhi government?
Well, Tanima, the basic plan of implementation of sero survey is to check the prevalence of COVID infection in the national capital. Earlier, we were told that it will be only in the containment zones, but now it has been planned that all across the 11 districts in both containment and non-containment zone, 20,000 people will be there involved in this process where the blood samples will be taken. There will be two categories. One will be the adult population and second will be pediatric population, the people aged between 5 to 18-year-old. Their blood samples will be taken, Tanima, and it will be tested for ELISA kit, the IgG, immunoglobulin G antibody. If that reflects there, that clearly seems it will be a result that person has suffered from COVID, and basically that will give them an idea as to how much of that infection in the national capital has spread through. If you remember, a similar sero survey had taken place for the country, whose second part result is yet to come, but the first part clearly said that 0.78% of infection was there in the national scenario. Now, through this, the Delhi government, the NCDC or the MHA wants to know as to what is the prevalence of COVID-19, and according to that, only the containment measure, the strategy of testing and also tracking people related to COVID infection will be taking in the national capital, Tanima.
Right, Ayushman, stay with us. Thank you for joining us on that. But let's also go across to Disha right now, because similarly, Mumbai will also start a sero surveillance next week to monitor COVID infections. Now, the survey in Mumbai will be conducted in 3 wards in Dahisar, Chembur and Matunga, and the samples will be collected in both slum and non-slum areas. Now, on this, I'm joined by my colleague Disha Shah. Disha, so as we were hearing from Ayushman, this is, of course, 20,000 people in the national capital who are going to be part of this sero survey in the national capital. What is the action plan that the Maharashtra government has for Mumbai?
Well, Tanima, here in the city of Mumbai, to know the extent and the spread of the coronavirus infection here in Mumbai, at least 10,000 random blood samples will be collected from both slum as well as the non-slum areas, and particularly from the 3 wards in concern. If you talk about Chembur, which was one of the hotspot area, so from there in non as well as slum area, samples will be collected. Then in Matunga and Dahisar currently has the highest grey throat, if you can talk about. So from these 3 wards, at least 10,000 blood samples will be collected, because they want to actually ascertain that what kind of extent the spread of the infection is in the general population, and that is something that they are going to ascertain by doing the blood samples. In fact, what we also understand, Mumbai has already collected some 500 random samples. The reports are yet to be awaited from the ICMR, but starting next week, at least 10,000 blood samples will be collected from all of these 3 wards, in the slum as well as in the non-slum areas.
Right, Disha will of course be tracking this with you. Thank you so much for joining us with that update.